Habari marafiki zangu, we will continue our trip on conjugation. We have already discovered how to form the complete simple past tense in Swahili. On this 12th day of our Swahili journey, we will do things a bit quicker. So for those who did not watch already the video of Swahili Day 11, I invite you to go to watch first this video entirely if you want to keep track of what we are going to cover today. To find the video about the complete past tense, just go to the channel and search the video for Swahili Day 11. We have covered two things. The first is subject prefixes. The second is the rule and structure of the complete past tense. Now, let's move on what we are going to learn today. In our daily conversation, we can notice that we use more 5 tenses than the others. The first is the simple present. The second is the simple past. The third is the future. The fourth is the simple present continuous. The fifth is the present perfect. We can divide the simple past into two categories. First, the simple past continuous. Second, the complete simple past. We have already learned the complete simple past tense and the simple present tense, but we still need 3 other tenses to be capable of having easily conversation in Swahili. These tenses are the future, the simple past continuous, and the present perfect. Let's start by the simple past continuous. Here we are. Past continuous. Rule. Subject prefix plus liqueur. The subject prefix plus liqueur make one word. Now, plus subject prefix plus key plus verb root. The subject prefix plus key plus verb root make one word. Let's apply the rule. We want to conjugate the verb to think in past continuous. To think in Swahili is kufikiri. To get the verb root, we drop the ku and we have fikiri. Now, what does the rule say? We start by writing subject prefix. So we write the subject prefix. For the first personal pronoun, the subject prefix is ni. We write ni. The rule says we add liqueur. So we add liqueur and we have ni liqueur. The second part says subject prefix, right? So we write the subject prefix ni. The rule says we add ki. So we add ki. The rule says we add verb root. So we add the verb root, which is fikiri. What we get is nilikua, nikifikiri, nikifikiri, right? When we put all of them together, we get nilikua, nikifikiri. That means I was thinking. I was thinking. This is the past continuous tense. We apply the rule for the rest of the personal pronoun and we get to think conjugated in past continuous. Here is what we have. Ulikuwa ukifikiri. You were thinking. Alikuwa akifikiri. He or she was thinking. Tulikuwa tukifikiri. We were thinking. Mlikuwa mkifikiri. You were thinking. Walikuwa wakifikiri. They were thinking. You see, it's so easy. Just we have to apply the rule. And you get the verb conjugated in the past continuous. Now, let's move on the second tense, the perfect. This one is like a piece of cake, so just eat it. Now, the rule says subject prefix plus me plus verb root. We only have like 3 words to work with to make the perfect tense in Swahili. Subject prefix, me, and verb root. Let's conjugate the verb to eat in present perfect, I mean. To eat in Swahili is kula. Kula is a particular verb. You are going to discover something here which is not usual. Don't worry, we will cover this later. To eat means kula in Swahili, and in this case, we will not drop the ku. We don't drop the ku. Kula is a specific verb in Swahili. Now, let's apply the rule for this verb. Actually, the base verb for kula is kula. We don't drop the ku. Let's apply the rule. The rule says subject prefix. The subject prefix for the first personal pronoun is ni. So we write ni. The rule says we add me. So we add me. What the rule says again? We add the verb root. The verb root of kula is kula. We add kula and we get nimekula. We do the same thing for the rest of the personal pronouns, and we have the verb to eat conjugated in the present perfect. For the you have eaten is umekula. He or she has eaten. Amekula. We have eaten. Tumekula. You have eaten. Mmekula. They have eaten. Wamekula.
This one is so easy, isn't it?
Now let's move on how to make the future tense. The rule says subject prefix plus ta plus verb root. Let's conjugate the verb to understand, which is kufahamu in Swahili. The base verb of kufahamu is fahamu. We want to say, I will understand. What does the rule say? We need first the subject prefix. For the first personal pronoun, the subject prefix is ni. We write ni. The rule says we add ta. We add the ta, right? We add ta, and we have nita. The rule says verb root. The verb root is fahamu. We add fahamu, and we get nitafahamu. Nitafahamu. I will understand. For the you will understand is utafahamu. We just have to apply the rule and we get the verb conjugated in the tense we want. He or she will understand. Atafahamu. We will understand. Tutafahamu. You will understand. Mtafahamu. They will understand. Watafahamu. And we are done with the future, the past, continuous, and the perfect. Congratulations. You have come to the end of this video. I want you to let me know in the comment what tense you comprehend more and what tense you don't.